How do you change the EQ on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So EQ stands for equalizer, as you can tell, and this depends on which streaming service or music app you are using. If you're using Spotify, for example, that's a popular choice for a lot of people. You can get inside the app, tap on your profile, and navigate to these settings. And part of these settings, we have the playback section where the things like auto mix and all of the other things are present, but there is also the equalizer. And you have like different modes, so you can switch in between them, but you also have the visual representation on the charts right here, so you can even grab the individual notes here and adjust it according to your preferences. So you have a lot of options to play with it. If you are using a different service like the Apple Music, for example, in that case the equalizer can be found in the settings by going to the apps at the bottom and choosing the music specifically. And part of that section, you can as well see the EQ, which is the equalizer. And as well, you have some options. You don't have like the visual grab thing, but you at least have these different things. So you can choose like reduce bass or increase bass or make it more, into your different style. So that's kind of how it works. Outside of that, you also have apps which are dedicated for the equalizer purposes. So there in those third-party apps, you can like import your music, like MP3 files or whatever, and there perform the changes for that song only. And it's much more professional, depends on how you want to use it or what you want to do with it, but that's the other option you have as well. Now let me know in the comments below if we managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials as well, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.